All right, I'm going to work on the baby today. And that one eye is not too good. So I've got to work on that. I'll be right back. Sorry, my hands wander around the camera. I'm looking at the clay and not the camera. I am, after all, working on a head that's about an inch from chin to top of the head. With 79-year-old eyes. I just don't see as well as I used to. I can't get the clay to cooperate. The face is a whole lot better than it used to be. And That is a plus. All right, let's do the ear. I got to build up his nose a little bit in the front. That's good. I mean, I'm dealing with tiny little, very tiny little bits of clay. And just barely moving molecules of clay. He's not going to have a lot of hair. He's just going to have some. I've seen some babies with tons of hair and some babies with very little, if any. Okay, I'm going to have fur surrounding the baby. And I'm going to do my melted clay bit where the clay is almost melted. All right, I'm going to call it quits on the baby for now. And I'm satisfied with it, quite a bit satisfied with it. And I want to get this horse smoothed out. I'm putting on some protective gloves because I'm going to be using a Brillo. So this is one of these kitchen Brillos you can buy at the store. I'm just going to take the Brillo with all this lighter fluid in it and just start smoothing. I'm going to get it really good here where the Mountain Man is going to be mounted. All right, I've positioned the Mountain Man where he's going to be. I've screwed it down to the base. I've redone the wire that I'm going to lift up and cut him so I can get him off because I don't want it to be quite as wide as I had it. And so now I'm going to finish off the base of this piece. And hopefully I can set this aside and at some point in the future get a bid on this to find out how much it would cost to produce this thing so I can find out what the price would be for selling it. I'm certain it's going to be very expensive to sell and to produce because of the size of this piece. It's well, let's get my measuring tape and check that. Okay, the length is just under 2 feet. The height is 22 inches. And the depth is 10 inches. So it's a big piece. But anytime you do a horse with 4 legs, it increases the price of casting. All right, I screwed up the wire I was going to use to cut this guy loose. Slipped underneath the board he's on, and now I can't do that because I pulled on it. So I'm going to have to cut this out by hand. And try to follow the board itself. The best laid plans of mice and men can go awry. Let's see if I can get this apart. He came out just fine. All right, it's going to be calling it quits on this piece. I added the temporary reins. They're not the ones that'll be on the piece. They'll have to make the reins out of flattened bronze wire. But this shows how I want it to look. The Sorry, the clay is off center in the video, but it gives you an idea what it looks like all the way around. The base has to be finished. Some additional smoothing needs to be done on the horse, and I'll do that if I get an order for one of these. I will spend a week or two to get it just perfect so it's ready to go into molding and casting in bronze. This piece will have to be a very limited edition because of the size and such. So I'll probably keep the edition size probably between 10 and 15. That means 10 or 15 copies altogether. But that makes it exclusive, very exclusive in today's art world. This mountain man turned out so much better than the last one. I was going to put some textures in his hair, but I think I like it the way it is with the roughness. I will do a little touch up on it, but I'm happy with the way it's turned out. The baby turned out really good. I'm really happy with it. I still have some things I got to think about. The young crow girl is happy with the situation. She's proud of her man and of her baby, and preparing to go see her parents. All right, everybody, I'll see you next time. I don't know when. It won't be tomorrow. I'll be here when I can figure out what to do next. I got some ideas floating in my brain, and I just have to work them out. All right, everybody, it's been a pleasant, well, I started this October 15th. Went all the way through the end of last year, through a heart attack this year at the beginning of the year, and up until now. Some pieces just take a lot longer to do, and this is one of them. It's because I wasn't certain about the design until probably a week or so into doing it. But it all worked out just fine. I did destroy this mountain man, the first one I did, and that was a good accident, because he's a lot better than the one I did before, just a whole lot better. I'm totally satisfied with this piece. It's going to be called Family. And that to me is far more important than anything else in this world, is family. All right, everybody, have a great night, and I'll see you next time when I can figure out what I'm going to do next. Good night. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. It really would help me. Also, check out the link below this video. It will take you to a review of my 9 instructional videos that could be very helpful to you if you're thinking of sculpting. Good night, everybody.